Welcome back to the Revved Up channel. 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, radiating excellence in Giallo Medina. The 2025 Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's dedication to performance and luxury. As one of the most prestigious front-engine models in Ferrari's lineup, the 599 GTB Fiorano combines a lightweight aluminum body with a formidable V12 engine, offering a driving experience that transcends its price point. This year, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano shines in a vibrant Giallo Medina, Ferrari's iconic yellow. This bold color choice not only highlights the car's dynamic lines and aggressive stance, but also reinforces its unmistakable presence on the road. While the design of the 599 GTB has sparked conversation among enthusiasts, the 2025 model in Giallo Medina exemplifies how this design can be truly appreciated when seen in person. The 2025 iteration of the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano includes significant enhancements, particularly with the GTO model, which was first introduced in 2011. This version benefits from extensive weight reduction, increased power, and refined handling, further amplifying the car's already impressive performance and sophistication. In Giallo Medina, the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano is more than just a high-performance vehicle, it is a statement of style and engineering excellence. The striking yellow finish complements the car's aerodynamic design and aggressive performance, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate both beauty and speed. Whether on the racetrack or cruising on the road, the 599 GTB Fiorano in yellow delivers an exhilarating and unforgettable driving experience.